Let's see the poem. Let's see the poem. Listen with me. Listen and sing with me. Brush, brush, brush your teeth.
Brush them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush them every day.
Comb,
Comb your hair, comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Wash, wash your face, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day.
ब्रश 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 योर टीथ. हमें एवरीडे हमें ब्रश करना चाहिए. ब्रश देम एवरीडे. फादर मदर ब्रदर सिस्टर ब्रश देम एवरीडे. फादर पापा मदर मम्मी ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर सबको एवरीडे ब्रश करना चाहिए. कोम 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 योर हेयर कोम इट एवरीडे. कोम यानी कि कोम का मतलब है बाल संवारना. एवरीडे हमें कोम करना चाहिए. फादर मदर ब्रदर सिस्टर सबको मिलकर एवरीडे कोम करना चाहिए. वॉश 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 योर फेस वॉश इट एवरीडे. एवरीडे हमें क्या करना चाहिए? वॉश करना चाहिए फेस हमारा. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ हिप्पोपोटामस. Let's see hippopotamus. This is the wild animal. It's very big animal. This is the spelling of hippopotamus. How many words can you make using letters from the word in the picture? आप कितने लेटर्स बना सकते हैं इस वर्ड से, हिप्पोपोटामस से? One has been done for you. P-O-T, pot. Can you guess? Can you make new words? First word is hip. H-I-P, hip. Second word is pop. P-O-P, pop. Third word is pot. P-O-T, pot. Already done for you. Then after M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. After T-O-P, top. And last word is U-S, us. You can also make new words, different words also. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. After H-O-T, hot. H-A-T, hat. S-A-T, sat. H-I-T, hit. For example, how many words can you make using letters from the word in the picture? This is the butterfly. Picture of butterfly. 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 Can you guess? First word is butter. 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 After fly. Fly. Bird. Tub. After try. Try. Fry. Fry. Next word is tree. Tree. And last word is free. Free.
This is the picture of elephant.
Let's see elephant. How many words can you make using letters from the word in the picture? This is the spelling of elephant. 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 First word is ANT. 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 HEN. Hen. PEN. Pen. TEA. Next word is HAT. Hat. PEN. Pen. Next PANT. Pant. Circle what you carry in your school bag. Now write the names of your things in the box below. Ice cream cone, books, toy, pebbles, pencil, tiffin, spectacles, water bottle, eraser, pen, sharpener, ruler. What you can carry in your school bag? Now write the names of your things in the box. This is your school bag. Already spellings are given. So what all things you need to keep in your school bag? First, ice cream cone. You can not carry. No, you like most. You like most ice cream, but it can melt. So you cannot keep in your school bag. Next, books. You can carry in your school bag. Third number, toy. Khilone. Toys not allowed in school. It's not carry in your school bag. Next, pebbles. Pebbles also not allowed, so never bring with you in your school bag. Pebbles and patthar, marbles. After pencil. Then pencil. Yes, you can put in your school bag. Then tiffin. Definitely you can bring. Spectacles. Your eyesight is weak, so you bring it. After water bottle. Yes, you can keep. Eraser. Yes, you can keep. Sharpener. Yes, you can sharpen with sharpener. So, yes, you can keep. Ruler. Yes, you can keep. Pen. No need. You can write with pencil. So no need. You can write with pencil. Let's do. What are the children doing? Choose the correct word from the ribbon and then fill in the blanks. First action word is eating, riding, going, studying, sharing, returning, laughing. Eating यानी कि खाना खाना, riding साइकिल चलाना, going यानी कि जाना, studying यानी कि पढ़ाई करना, शेयरिंग यानी कि किसी को किसी चीज़ बांटना, रिटर्निंग यानी कि घर वापस आना, लाफिंग हंसना. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पिक्चर ऑफ डैश डैश ब्रेकफास्ट. चाइल्ड इज ईटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट. ब्रेकफास्ट मीन्स सुबह का नाश्ता. ईटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट. यू कैन राइट ईटिंग. You can write eating breakfast. Next picture of boy. Boy is riding on a bicycle. Bicycle यानी कि हमारी साइकिल. Riding यानी कि साइकिल चलाना. Riding a bicycle. RIDING, riding a bicycle. Next, बच्चा क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पर? स्कूल जा रहा है. Going to school. GOING, going to school. Next, dash dash with friends. यहाँ पर एक बॉय एंड एक गर्ल दिख रहे. वो क्या कर रहे हैं? शेयरिंग कर रहे हैं. शेयरिंग विथ फ्रेंड्स. शेयरिंग यानी कि बांटना. नेक्स्ट, डैश डैश इन क्लास. बच्चे यहाँ पर स्टडी कर रहे हैं ना. STUDYING, स्टडिंग. स्टडिंग इन क्लास. एंड लास्ट पिक्चर, क्या कर रहा है बच्चा यहाँ पर? रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम स्कूल. It's practice. This alphabet you can write in cursive and practice in this handwriting. So this chapter is over. This chapter is over. Now next time new video or new chapter, Haldi's adventure. This is the lockdown period, so take care at your home. Thank you.